Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It's a very beautiful day over here today, and I give much thanks to Almighty God for another blessings and for another beautiful, great day over here. So today's video, it's another amazing video, guys. So ensure subscribe if you haven't, like, share, and leave a sweet comment over here. So today, very nice and very great. So today I'm back. I'm shooting this video actually from our very beautiful bulletproof house over here in Kenya, Africa, to be specific, near the border of Kenya and Tanzania, Nyabohanse Isibania village. I'm so much excited to be back in the village, and that's one of the best things that I always adore. So this day today, I want to be checking, we want to be in our compound. So already here are my gumboots, ready to do what we call like ready background. So ensure that you subscribe, ensure you like this video. Thorough work around here at home. As always, I told you we have to start from square zero, but it's well also to work as it goes that way. So pay much attention, subscribe if you haven't, like, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this. So it's time to hit the road. See you. Very nice. We are cruising around. This is the village road. We are heading. It's just rained. And we're heading to see, to check on our project. Look at the skies. Oh my God. The beautiful trees around. Just walking. Moving on down. The village is so beautiful. A lot is happening downwards. Very beautiful. There was some timber lumbering down there. Also there's a river here where they harvest a lot of sand. There's a bridge. So there's some harvesting around, as you see. Also some people have started harvesting what you call like maize all over. Upwards. Heading to my land is somehow hilly. That's why you see some beautiful views from this outside. They just prepared this at the road. Heading this side. Just moving with our washi bike, little by little. As you see, there's a lot of people actually at the land. So let's head and see. So we just arrived on our land, and that's what you see. Yeah? So this is what you see around. So our Skuma Wiki, they're really doing great, as you see downwards. They're really doing a very great job on this other side. So this other side, we spray them with some chemicals to just kill the pesticides around. And as you see, very nice. Welcome to our cabin. This is one of our beautiful place over here. And as you made us kitchen also. This is my neighbor, just planting also some watermelon. It's called Skyra's kitchen also. There's some people there busy doing what we call like plowing and doing some other stuff. And all the way also with me, I'm already done with plowing. So guys, we are actually on our land. I've been plowing it, just digging it again. And yeah, so now we have fruits. As you see, those are some watermelons. that we have around here, and they have really come up very nicely, as you see on this other end. Yeah, so we are just putting up what we call like the fertilizers. As you see, oh my god, they're coming out very nicely and very healthy. So yeah, this is our dreamland where we have really decided to do a little farming. Though behind me we have some hardcores that we have been bringing what we call like materials slowly by slowly, so that we can start our project of the dream house. But for now, on this other end, we have done some extension of doing what we call like agriculture, to avoid what we call like the land being just idle. So for the time being, as we are having what we call like materials, we have some hardcores around, in which we also bringing more and more and more, slowly and slowly and slowly. That's it's Skyda. Is also a farmer, a young farmer. So what we are doing is like we are trying to add what we call like fertilizers. This is they're not top layers, but this is a fertilizer that literally we are putting it to just facilitate the growth of the watermelons. Mister?
Yes.
So he's adding more fertilizer. This is it. It's a industrial fertilizer, not the manure one that we always use. So here it is. It's called it's Skyda Kitchen.
It's Skyda's Kitchen.
Yes.
Yeah, so welcome back to CJ's channel.
Yes.
So today we've decided to do application of fertilizer. This is one of the farm management practices, as we said.
Yes.
And we have here with us black in color. These are the ammonium phosphorus.
Yes.
And it's rich in phosphorus.
Yes.
Whereby phosphorus enhances root formation and root growth. So when the plant is smaller or younger like this one, we require to have more phosphorus in the soil so that it can increase the growth of the root.
Okay.
Yeah, and uptake of nutrients. So we are going to apply our DAP. And after some 2 or 3 weeks, we'll be coming back to apply our CAN. Yeah, as a top dress now.
As a top dress. Yeah. So now, what are the kind of the challenges that we are facing? Because with us, we have been actually doing what we call, we prepared the land, and now we did what we call like planting of the watermelon. Up to now, we are at the 4th stage or the 4th stage right here.
Okay.
Neighbors, yes.
One of the challenges actually that we faced till now, because you remember that there is a time in between where we had no rainfall.
Yes.
And at this stage of growth, any plant, not only the watermelon, but any plant requires a lot of rain.
Yes.
So we've been having a shortage of rainfall.
Yeah.
But we thank God that at least yesterday it rained, though not much.
Not much, yeah.
Yeah. So this is one of the challenges that we faced. So we don't know going forward how it will be.
It will be, yeah.
Yeah, if we will experience such a problem, then I think we'll be having a solution.
Yeah.
And also, there is this problem that the watermelon never grew well.
Yeah,
as we expected. You can see there's a lot of gaps actually on the farm.
Like from there to it, which means that maybe they are coming out, but at this point now that the others are bigger, so we don't know if they'll come out, or still we have to do what we call like add on top of it. But what we have is what God have decided to say.
To do with what we have, because I don't think if you can fill up the gaps.
Yes.
Because of time also.
Yes.
Yeah, so we'll just do with what we have.
So
there are 2 main problems that we faced until now, and I think we'll be talking more as we continue. Because we have this farm over within 2 months.
Yes.
So we'll be talking more
about it. Yeah. So keep on following, and keep on subscribing. If you haven't, just subscribe. And also, we are eager to know your ideas at the comment section. And of course, check out my friend, or we can say my co-farmer at
it's Skyda's Kitchen.
It's Skyda's Kitchen. Yeah. So for now, we are doing what we call like fertilizers. So this is the DAP, the ammonium phosphate, the ammonium phosphorus.
Yeah, which is rich in phosphorus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here we haven't applied, right?
Yeah, you're going now to start from there.
From here. So it's just little. Kidogo tu.
Kiasi.
Because guys, as young farmers, you don't have to apply it direct on the plant. You just apply it far away from the plant, so that the roots will do what we call like will just find by themselves. you know. So that those days back we used to use what we call like a bottle top. So a
Or
bottle
you
top,
measure
yeah, you
measure
measure
using a
using a
bottle
bottle
top.
top. But for now we have to just
You
a little bit
approximate.
yeah. It could be good if we could be counting, but now for now we just do what we call like you know, mudogo mudogo. We call it slowly by slowly. So you see, there's another big problem. Like from there all the way, this line shows that we only have this one that is the surviving part. I think the reason being was a lot of water that really, because we did what we call like a trench. So there was a lot of water that when it was raining, maybe it washed away this part. But we thank God that whatever we have, it will grow slowly by slowly. And maybe come on,
Tora medium.
medium.
Wanga tora hangi sana. Wanga kutora hangi ni miri. Inaweza choma.
Nitajitafutia.
As unajua sasa the moment you apply it like that, the fertilizer normally melts.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then now it starts bleaching or leaching into the soil. Yeah, so the roots will be able to absorb the nutrients from there.
Yeah, so that's how it is, guys. Farming is not easy. At the same time, you have just to try. If you won't try, you just end up saying, oh, it's easy, it's hard, because you never tried. But when you try is when you know how it happened. They always say if you won't try, it won't happen. And when it happens, you tried. So you better try. Look at this, it's smiling. Good morning, watermelon. So just like that, the sun is up, but we are still doing it. See that this one, I think this one is a lot of water, right?
I think they tampered with the rooting
system.
Yeah,
Right? But
that's the reason as to why it's like this.
Yes,
We can check. Actually, we can check. We find something like this. You see,
examined.
the problem is that they tampered with the rooting system because it have got no any problem. Yeah, in between here. So
seems the one who was weeding on at this point. You know, sometimes guys, you have to put the weeders to help you. You cannot do this alone. So you have to put some people around.
And also remember, yesterday we had a lot of sun.
Yeah.
So it wasn't wet.
Yeah.
So I think that's the reason as to why it's getting dry.
Okay. But
why shouldn't we cover it so that it?
And also you have to put what you call like a peg.
Yeah.
So that you can mark it. If it will do well.
So this one is called mulching.
Mulching.
Yeah, we do it like this then, so that the sun can't burn it directly.
Can't burn it directly. So let's try to see the leaves where they are, and then that like that, right?
Yeah, just cover it. Then we'll remove it because tomorrow we'll be spraying chemicals. Okay, yeah. We remove it.
Yeah. So the chemicals that we are spraying, guys, they are the ones that we keep on from being cold. You know, plants also when they are cold, and also we prepare them for what we call like the leaves, and to just avoid pesticides from tampering with our crop, you know. So slowly by slowly.
Chohe. Kini uzuri kuna mvua.
Yeah, so and also the baby is cooing from up.
DAP ni 400.
Kama ngapi?
Asi ni moja. Moja.
So we have also this one. It's really smiling, and it's really smiling. When I see this, I see happiness actually, and also I see something that It's the golden plant growing in the heartbeat of Nyabohanse, or in the heartbeat of Kuria land. So in the heartbeat of Kuria land, there's a golden plant growing, which we always say on this time, if we really do it in a great way and we take care of it, we really have what we have, that it is a golden eggplant. A golden plant is really growing. And of course, right here we have a mixed farming where we have bananas which act as a shield also from what we call like wind. These bananas, the leaves will act as wind shields also against this what we call like the plants, in which also we have the contours. When you see these other sides, we have some trenches which also control a lot of water. Mostly we always experience a lot of water. When it starts to rain, it rains a lot. So we always do this instead of doing as a flat land as this. So we make some contours in which when it rains, we control what we call like the water table, right? So when it rains, maybe when water is around here, it can start oozing little by little inside our plants, in which even if it will be dry for a period of 1 week, there is also what we call like water table controlling. So
yeah, just to add on that,
yes,
yeah, it enhances easy movement.
Yes.
When you are doing some other activities on the farm, like now the application of fertilizer,
yes,
you can see we are working on the
contour
right
here,
yeah,
the furrows.
and also when you also spraying chemicals,
Yes.
yeah, you also work on that place,
place.
so that you're not tampering with the crops
With
on
the
this
crop.
top other of the ridges.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Let's say also we have what we call like Skuma Wiki. Come with us. Let's walk around. So we have a lot of wind shields like this. Also another one over here. So yeah, look at this. Oh my god, oh man, it really looks great. And this is under the inspiration of our brother here, It's Skydar's Kitchen. Please go check him out at It's Skydar's Kitchen. So we also have Skuma Wiki and also watermelon. So the Skuma Wiki and the watermelon are being applied here. So we apply Skuma Wiki fertilizer from the farm, as we also make what we call like they really need little by little. We just apply actually just on the bare land, just near, because Skuma Wiki doesn't apply what we call like much force compared to the watermelon. For the watermelon, you have to do it like this, far away, so that it can take it slowly by slowly. But for Skuma Wiki, you have just to apply just from above, but far away from the roots. See, like this one, just put it just like that. Yeah. So there's a watermelon here. I don't know what happened with it, but hopefully it will grow. Now this is what some of the challenges that we are facing. They are planted at the same date, the same time, but you find there are some which are dwarfing, and there are some which are doing much better. So we can't complain, but we're appreciating the nature, because the nature is what literally tells what is happening. Wow, look at this. And also, if you have knowledge also about growing the watermelons, please comment down below. You can reach out also to It's Skydar's Kitchen. You can also comment down below at Cloud Joseph, so that we might really know what to do. Are we doing it on a right way, or are we doing it on a bad way? Yeah. Aringe mpaka nyuma haru nimechukua hali.
Oh.
Niko hali. Azobote ni huru. Hali.
Isukuma wateive ekego getore mbolea elafuetwe na inapigwa dawa esevokigo heme.
So we are doing the direct injection of fertilizer around here. So this one will really help for the sukuma wikis to grow, and also both the sukuma wiki and the fertilizers also to the watermelon. So just like that, then you weed. There are some copy plants that always grow like
they look like the watermelons.
yeah, copy plants. So we have also to do something about them. Yeah, so I thought this is a watermelon. So there's a lot that we are doing around here. So guys, as you see, now we are done. We have just applied fertilizer everywhere, and now maybe tomorrow we'll be doing what like spraying of chemicals. As you see, also the skumas, they have had what you call like a lot of fertilizer all the way down there, as you see. And also you can see or check all about the green nature, about how it is. I really appreciate your love and support for watching this video till to the end. And also Kaida, hey, it's Kaida Kitchen, man.
Yeah guys, thank you for being with us in this vlog. Yeah, what I'll request is that you visit It's Kaida's Kitchen.
Yes,
kindly subscribe. One love. Let's meet tomorrow.
Absolutely, yeah, it's how it is. So we are around here, so I have to close the gate again. So what brought us in the land is us to turn it into a golden place, or just to try to find that money that they always say that money comes from that. So that's what we want to look into. Also on this side, this Mawiki, that's Kaida's place. He has what you call like also very nice of watermelons. They are really doing great on this other end. So with me, I appreciate it by saying thank you so much. Feel free to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and be blessed. Let's see you on our next video. Road to 30,000 subscribers. Bye.